Hello, children, how are you? Hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today I am here to discuss all about sense organs. So, firstly, I would like to tell you what are sense organs? ये sense organs होते क्या हैं? Sense organs are those body parts which help us to know about the things around us. हाँ, सेंस ऑर्गन्स वो बॉडी पार्ट्स होते हैं जिनकी हेल्प से हम अपने आसपास की चीज़ों को देख पाते हैं, स्मेल कर पाते हैं, टच कर पाते हैं, सुन पाते हैं और महसूस कर पाते हैं. Yes, children, God has given us 5 sense organs. Yes, ears, nose, eyes, tongue and skin. So first we will recite poem on sense organs which God has given us. God made my eyes so I can see the sky. God made my ears so I can hear the sound. God made my nose so I can smell different things. God made my tongue so I can taste the food. God made my hands so I can touch and hug my mom and my dad. For them to feel that I love them so and feel the love and touch of God. Now let's learn function and spellings of these sense organs. First sense organ is ear. Children, touch your ears. Ears are for hearing. Ears are for hearing. Yes, God has given you ears so that you can hear all the sound around you. Sound of birds, sound of people talking, sound of bell, sound of TV. You can hear all the sounds with the help of your ears. हाँ, जब कभी बेल बजती है या टीवी की आवाज़ आती है तो हमें कैसे पता चलता है कि यह साउंड आ रही है? यस, गॉड ने जो आपको ईयर्स दिए हैं उनकी हेल्प से ही आपको साउंड आती है. आपको गंदी बातें कभी नहीं सुननी चाहिए. हमेशा अच्छी बातें ही सुननी चाहिए जो गॉड ने ईयर्स दिए हैं उनसे. नाउ लेट्स लर्न स्पेलिंग ऑफ ईयर्स. E-A, ear. E-A, ear. R says E-A-R, ear. E-A-R, ear. Children, don't give stress on letter R. Okay? It's ear. Second sense organ is nose. Touch your nose. God has given you nose to smell. Nose is for smelling. Children, you can smell good smell or bad smell through your nose. You can breathe with your nose. हाँ, आप सांस भी लेते हैं अपनी nose से. So, God has given you nose for smelling. Spelling of nose. N says O-S-E, O's. O's, nose. O's, nose. Children, you have one nose. Third sense organ is eye. Children, God has given you eyes to see things around us. Sense of vision is found in eyes. हाँ, आप अपनी आईज की हेल्प से अपने आसपास की चीज़ों को देख सकते हैं. ट्विंकलिंग स्टार्स, मून, ब्लू ब्लू स्काई एंड ग्रीन ग्रीन प्लांट्स, एनिमल्स, बर्ड्स सब देख सकते हैं. वी हैव 2 eyes. स्पेलिंग ऑफ आई, E-Y-I. E-Y-I. E says E-Y-E-I. E-Y-E-I. So let's repeat after me. Eyes for seeing. Eyes for seeing things. Now let's go to tongue. Fourth sense organ is tongue. Your tongue is for tasting. Your tongue is for tasting. Children, with the help of your tongue, you would know taste of food, whether it is salty, sour, bitter or sweet. We have one tongue. So spelling of tongue: T says T, O N N, G says G. We will not pronounce UE in tongue. UE is silent. So T tongue, T tongue. Now, children, pinch your hand. Can you feel it? Children, touch your cheeks, touch your nose, touch anything around you. Can you feel the touch? Yes, children, our body is covered with skin and our skin helps us to feel. हाँ, गॉड ने हमारी बॉडी को बाहर से पूरा एक लेयर से कवर किया हुआ है जिसे हम स्किन कहते हैं. उसी की हेल्प से आप कोई भी टच फील कर पाते हैं. आपको पता है ना, आप अपनी बॉडी के किसी भी पार्ट को टच कीजिए, आपको आपका टच फील होता है. कोई भी गर्म चीज़, ठंडी चीज़ आपको फील होती है. वो कौन बॉडी पार्ट है, कौन सा सेंस ऑर्गन है जो आपको हेल्प करता है? यस, आवर स्किन हेल्प्स अस टू फील थिंग्स अराउंड अस. स्पेलिंग ऑफ स्किन इज SK, IN, sk in skin, sk in skin. So children, our 5 sense organs are very important to us. They are like our best friend. So you should take care of your 5 sense organs. Now you write spellings of these 5 organs in your notebook. Bye bye. Beautiful poem for sense organs. Blue, blue sky, I can see the sky. God gave me eyes so I can see the sky. Red, red rose, I can smell the rose. God gave me nose so I can smell the rose. Ding dong bell, I can hear the bell. God gave me ears so I can hear the bell. Sweet, sweet ice cream, I can taste the ice cream. God gave me tongue so I can taste the ice cream. Pitter patter raindrop, I can feel the raindrops. God gave me skin so I can feel the raindrops. Children, learn name of body parts and sense organs and learn their functions also. Bye bye.